I'm very excited that I am going to be guest designing for Scrap Diva. So I'm going to share this really quick unboxing video to show you the products that I am going to be working with for the month of February. So keep your eye out for those coming videos. Hey everyone, it's Joy here and welcome to my channel. So these are the projects that I'm going to be working with for the month of February. This is the Amaryllis flower set. This is from February's release. There are 3 different sizes of the flowers here. You can stack them on top of each other and layer them. You could just use them by themselves. And then you have 2 different leaves here. I think this is a fantastic die to have in your stash because anytime you might need some little flowers, this is a great one to pull out and use. And I definitely did use it on one of my projects that I will be sharing with you guys this month. This is my favorite. This is from February's release. This is the Baker Gnome die set, and it is so cute, you guys. I absolutely love it. You have this really darling chef's hat, and then you've got cute little braids, and then there's the main body, and there's 3 layers to the body, you guys, which I think is really visually beautiful. So I've not had a die that's really like that. Normally you have 2 layers, but this is really stunning. Then you have a mug, a layering mug. You've got a couple bows that layer. You have a cute little button heart and another little heart. There is the gnome nose and the gnome hands. Really cute, and a cute darling rolling pin. So I definitely made a card with this. And you can add those amaryllis flowers to this. So those 2 together could make a really cute card. And then this is something I'll be working with also. This is the heart bottle shaker set from a different release. Super cute. So I can't wait to share all of my videos with you guys. So definitely keep an eye out.